Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful unicorn step by step. Let's start drawing. I'm going to draw it, starting with its beautiful face. Its mouth and nose. I'm drawing now the top of the unicorn. I'll give you small spots. I am now drawing the back side of the unicorn. That is, the side above the spine.
The wife takes the child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse.
I am drawing very carefully and beautifully, just for you.
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the
Great.
dairy-o, the
Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cow.
Blue color,
dog.
Shein color, green, red color,
The dog takes the cat.
pink color,
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes
yellow color,
the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho,
red
the
color.
dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes
green
the
color,
cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o.
Shein color.
The cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone.
This is pink.
Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho,
Peach color.
The dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video.